I do expect some good results from this young Indian side. We have a very strong, bench strength, so to speak. I'm very hopeful that such youngsters will rise to the occasion and do well. It is a challenge, but I think all the so-called younger brigade is quite ready for it.
Yes और नहीं भी हमारे बीच मौजूद होंगे जल्दी यही सब लोग
And then Sai Sudarshan
हमारे
also showing
बीच
his
आएंगे
class in
हमारे
that
ऑनरेबल
eliminator.
मिनिस्टर
So
ऑफ
how
यूथ
excited are
एंड
you
स्पोर्ट्स
to see
मंत्री
these
जी
two players in
श्री
particular?
हरिरंजन राव जी सेक्रेटरी स्पोर्ट्स
Study in contrast, Karun has got loads of experience. Sai is gaining experience. He seems to be an all format cricketer. So as I said, it's good to see such kind of combination of little bit of experience, and top of that, there's so many youngsters who are part of the side. So I think hopefully, I think all of them should work together for the betterment of Indian cricket.
Dr. Nadeem Ahmed, Director Fit India, Miss Shadri, Indian actress and Young Fit India icon, Mr. Sabah Kareem, former Indian cricketer.
Yeah, but Mohammad Shami wasn't picked because he's not fit. So I think India has to look ahead, and I think that's what the selectors have done. So we got a right arm seam bowler, then you have Arshdeep as a left arm seam bowler. It adds more variation to the pace bowling attack. I think that's the reason why we see this kind of combination in the Indian let-up. The conditions should be suitable for pace bowling. Arshdeep is a very talented left-arm seam bowler. I'm quite excited to see these youngsters in action.
Captain and experienced campaigner in Jasprit Bumrah alongside him.
हमारे बीच जुड़ चुके हैं हमारे आज के esteemed guest माननीय मंत्री जी आ चुके हैं हमारे साथ सेलिब्रेट करने आज का 25th edition
It will. I think it is an examination for him, but I'm sure he's up to it. That's the reason why the selectors have opted to make Shubman Gill the captain. He has the right kind of credentials. He'll work on his batting. If he starts to perform well, his captaincy will also flourish. Hopefully.
Thank you so much.
Who do you think will
इसी के साथ हमारे
pick
बीच
summit
जुड़े हैं
and
श्री
take the
हरिरंजन
crown
राव
this
सर
time? Will it be the 18th year Virat Kohli?
Mr. Vishnu
Or will it be the five-time champion or the new champion?
Mr. Yogeshwar
Very difficult to pick favorites at this stage, but I think it's good to see these three teams who have reached this stage, and we do expect a very competitive matches coming up. This is wonderful to see, to organize the Tiranga rally. One way of expressing our gratitude to the armed forces. I'm really blessed to be part of this. So good to see so many participants here. So first up, many congratulations to Fit India and to the Sports Authority of India for organizing a rally like this.